We're in Corpus Christi here, so we are riding into the city. It's about a 1 to 2 mile ride in. We got pretty close. We're just parked at a park out there, and we're just gonna go in and explore it, see what's in here. And they're doing construction, so there's no road. But we'll check back in once we get close to the city. So we are right there. We want to get to the water, so we just need to take this road straight over. Okay, it's only the lens. That was a terrible ride. Well, as you can see, the GoPro is broken. So, tried to use a brake and the brake did not work. So, now we have no GoPro, but we're just getting started. So, I'll still do the video. It'll be hopefully on my phone and on this, so whichever I'm easiest to pull out at a time. I'm probably not going to ride around with this camera just in case that happens again until I fix my brake here. Because what happened was I tried to hit the brakes and my brake is pretty much gone and it like didn't stop as much as I thought it would. So I should be fine for the rest of riding on because now I know that it's not going to work and I can just stop with the wheels, but when you're relying on something that's not there, it's pretty interesting. So, oh, that was fun. We'll keep on moving here, see what we can do. So we're just checking out the area here. We went down. We're riding down this. We're going up to this bridge here. It's very loud. We're right next to the highway. We're gonna take the blades off and walk the rest of the way up just to see what's out there. Made it to the top of the bridge. Just looking out over this view here. There's the Corpus Christi Bay out there, and then farther back that way is the sea. We're just gonna hang out there, gonna be good for a little bit, and then we'll be moving on, heading back probably. Outside the city now, and we're gonna start heading back probably. It's starting to get a little dark, but we had a lot of fun here. Unfortunately, the GoPro died, so I'll have to see if we can find somewhere that sells the replacement lenses for those. So I'll be looking for that. We had fun here. Corpus Christi is really nice. So, and we'll be going towards the border next. So, and we're gonna travel up along that, and that'll take us out towards the west. So thanks for watching, and if you want to keep updated, make sure you subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.